Tianjin Lituo Import and Export Company Limited is located in Tianjin, China. Since the early days of the establishment of our factory in 2000, we initially trade under the name Tianjin Lituo Metal Manufacturing Company Limited. As one of the leading wholesaler and supplier in China, we facilitate ourselves with the most advanced infrastructural facility, and at the same time, we dedicate ourselves to the job of manufacturing best quality nails, screws, wires, rivets, and many more, which is known for their bright and smooth finish, resistance against corrosion, dimensional accuracy, high strength of torque and hardness, and available for various dimensions and sizes. With the reform of foreign trade system and transformation of operation system,